Hi and welcome back to another video in this channel. My name is Martha Makwata. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, it means you're a visitor and you haven't subscribed. Kindly consider subscribing so that you become a member of this channel. Okay, so today I'm starting this video in the car because it is a Friday. It is a very rainy day in Nairobi today. I just want to show you it has really rained. This you can see I've just come back from buying some groceries and I want to do a mini shop. I've just shown you the screen. It is really raining in Nairobi. I don't know about where you are. It is a Friday. And so on Fridays, my kitchen is normally quite busy because we do preparations for the Sabbath. We are Adventists. And so I want to just take you through the few things that I've bought. Most of the things will be delivered tomorrow by King's Garden. They are located where I stay, near here at Hardy. So you can generally guess where I stay. So they will drop some of the vegetables tomorrow, which were not there today. But most of the other things I've bought. And so I want to take you through a mini haul in this car before I get out. The reason being, my kitchen is quite busy. So let us go into this video. I hope you enjoy the video and yeah, so let's go through it. So some of the things that I usually have in is these wipes. I love them because they're quite friendly and of course I don't know if you're a lady and you have a car, kindly comment. Usually I have at least 2 pairs of shoes in my car. Sorry for this. So I'll use this seat here to just take you through very fast. I have some vegetables here. These ones have been bought from Carrefour. And this one is spinach. I have kales here. Kales. Sukuma wiki. And then I've bought this bottle that I want to use to carry juice to church tomorrow. I've bought this deodorant. Tell me why we don't have deodorants as ladies, but men have deo sticks. Why is it that companies are ignoring us as ladies? They only give us antiperspirants. Then I've bought some juice here, which will help us with the hunger pangs. Not so much, just 3. I've also bought probiotic yogurt, which I normally use. It's good for digestion if you have issues with stomach. Okay, I've bought more wipes, and these ones I'll use them. I use them even on my face to wipe off whenever I have powder or foundation. And I've bought lactose free milk, 3 packets. Let me just show you. The 3 packets are here. And a watermelon, it is halved. It is half. And some passion juice. I love passion juice so much. So I've bought this. It was on offer. I hope to buy some more on Sunday when I'll be around Carrefour. I hope my focus has been clear. So this is what I have inside here. Let's see my boot shortly. So this is my boot, and inside here I have more kales. We love sukuma wiki in this household, and a lot of water. Normally I love this brand Pure Fresh because of one reason. Their water is quite fresh, just like their name suggests. And I've bought some cooking oil which was on offer. I've never tasted this dollar brand, but I've bought it because it was on offer at Naivas. And pineapples, I want to juice this pineapple. I hope I'll be able to show you as I do the juicing. There are 2 pineapples, so I'll juice one. The other one we'll leave it and use it later on as a family. Yeah, so that is what my boot has. And you remember the other shopping that I have on the other side. So I hope I'll be able to do the juicing and share with you in this same video. Hey, this is how busy this kitchen is. Lynette is busy here. Another business going on this end. That's how busy this kitchen is. So yeah, Lynette is preparing chapati for tomorrow. I also want to prepare breakfast, carbohydrate. Njugu umemaliza kukanga? Oh, you're frying from inside. My light is off. We are also doing groundnuts here for breakfast. Yeah, that's the state of this kitchen. Someone's phone is charging. This bottle should be 1.5 liters, hopefully. Let's see it together through the lenses. Yeah, that's how far we can go with it. This kitchen is quite busy. Otherwise, Lynette will start bullying me here with kelele. So I told you I'll be preparing cake. Okay, I'll be sorry for that belch. I've tasted something here that I'm about to show you. So this is a lemon cake. The main ingredient in this cake is a lemon. This one right here. And I'll also dress it on top. So stay tuned to see how I'll dress it. If you want my full cake recipe, I have done so many cakes that sometimes I feel like I shouldn't do any more cake, but we'll keep sharing ingredients or recipes for cakes. So this one is going into our oven. I've left it here to settle. I felt like I mixed it for longer than needed. So I'm soon putting it into the oven. Then I also want to juice this pineapple. This is 1 pineapple. So I'm juicing it. And normally I boil the bark of pineapples. I'm told it is a very good remedy for allergies. So that's what is up with this. So I'll add water, about 1.5 liters, for it to boil for about 10 minutes. Then I leave it to settle. When it cools, I put it into the fridge. We will enjoy it. So that's what's up. I'll show you the end result of all this. I hope to also show you how I'll be dressing this cake with the lemon. So I'm placing you here so that we do the juicing together. So I'll be juicing right here. I hope you can see me. Hi. So I'm here. This is our pineapple. So this is what I'm juicing. I hope you can see this spot very well. So let the pineapple be on this side. We are starting right away. Ele. You're clapping. So, okay, we are starting our juicing. Oh. So our container is full. I want to change it into another container. Then we finish up whatever is remaining. I'll show you whatever we have at the end of it. So let's finish up. This is our pure pineapple juice. Let's finish up with the rest that is remaining. So with us here is a pure pineapple juice with 0 preservative, and we are ready to enjoy it. So I'll keep it in the fridge, and then tomorrow we'll just pack it and we'll be ready for our Sabbath. Sorry. So what is remaining is our cake, which I just want to show you the way I'll dress it in a very simple way. The pulp that is inside here, I'll mix it with the bark that I'm boiling so that we get that very nice pulpy boiled juice. So yeah. Higher. Good people, this is our cake. It's ready, and so I want to glaze it. I was looking for that word, glazing. So I've prepared some syrup here that is made up. Sorry for presenting it in the way I have. Let me turn it in this bowl so that you can see it. So I've made a syrup of lemon juice, some sugar and just water, which I've boiled, and this is how it looks. So I'll simply do this to our cake to make it extra sweet. Sorry for the background noise. I told you today is a busy day here. My sons are preparing to go out to an orchestra, a music night. So they are having their dinner before they leave for their music, whatever. I hope you can see me nicely. Yeah, so that's it. This is what I'll do. And I'll also turn it and do it, repeat on the other side. And then our cake is ready. Tomorrow we serve it for breakfast. And we also have groundnuts for breakfast. So this will provide our proteins. This is our starch. And we are ready for the day, for Sabbath. I've been looking for a title for this video. And I guess I'm going to title it, Get Ready for Sabbath with Us, or Get Ready for Sabbath with Me. Okay, There's a lot of light that side. So get ready for Sabbath with me. So as it is now, we are ready for Sabbath. Our lunch is ready. Whatever they were preparing is ready. Chapatis are ready. Our bean stew is ready. And you can see our breakfast is set. So we'll just come back to prepare our dinner. What a better way to have Sabbath. It will be a restful one. So until the next video, until the next one, bye for now.